How to zoom out or zoom in clips in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Capcut application. Click on new project and choose the clip which you want to edit. After that, tap on the clip in the editing area and manage its ratio in the screen. You can simply zoom out the picture, or you can also zoom in the particular picture you want to display in the video. Now, you can also zoom in and zoom out by another method, which is to simply unselect the video clip, go to aspect ratio, and as you can see, you can simply zoom in or zoom out depending upon the aspect ratio. So that's it. That is how easily you can zoom in or zoom out clips on Capcut. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.